Namaste, this is Rehal and Masmo. You are most welcome to my channel at Crazy for Veggie. Now today I'm going to make Mexican appetizer that's called tostada. Tostada goes very well with your Mexican meal. If you are throwing any party or get together, you can absolutely choose this as an appetizer. It's also really good snacks time dish because this is so quick, easy, and it has a crunch, so you're definitely going to like this. Now I'm going to use my unique avocado dressing instead of the guacamole in this recipe, so you must have to see this because this is the yummiest avocado dressing you can ever have. Now let's move ahead with our recipe of a tostada. Now let's quickly make the black beans for our tostada. So into my pan I'm going to drizzle 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and here goes my taco seasoning. Now if you wish, you can saute some onion, you can add some jalapeno, cilantro, so you can make it any way. So I'm going to keep it super simple here. Add that in. Okay, simply mix it, and now into that goes my this boiled black beans. Now I simply soak these beans for like 2 hours in a hot water, and then I boil this in pressure cooker for like 20 minutes, giving like 5 to 10 whistles. But you can also certainly use the canned one over here, and I'm not going to add anything because I already added the salt while I was boiling my beans. Okay, so just let to prepare our avocado sauce or the dressing. So this is my half of the large jalapeno, handful amount of cilantro, tomatillo, the green tomato, onion, 1 big avocado which I'm going to use only half of it, some black pepper and a salt. I'm simply going to little slice this. Okay, and adding this into my bowl. Now into that goes salt, freshly crushed black pepper, and we are not going to add the lime because we are already added the tomatillo. It has a citric taste, so we are skipping the lime here. Add little bit of the water, just enough to make the grinding, about like 1/4 cup. Okay, so now let's start to assemble our tostada. So this is my tostada shell. This is nothing but the fried corn tortilla. For healthy version, you can apply a little bit of the oil on the corn tortilla, and you can roast it in the oven, or you can fry it fresh. So these are the 2 tortillas over here which I already microwave for 30 seconds. So these are the hot right now. that's it for my today's session. That was a recipe of the Mexican appetizer tostada. Now if you want to see detailed ingredient and printable recipe, simply click the link below. That's it. Now if you really like this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Even you can share this recipe with your friends, family and loved one. So that's it for my today's session. See you soon in my next recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.